Okay guys, so here we are in question number 5, okay? So I'm just going to recap to you a bit of polynomial, okay? So they said fx equals to this function, and then they said when fx is divided by x minus 1, the remainder is 3. When fx divided by 2x plus 1, the remainder is 6. So I'm just going to explain to you a little bit. What if they said x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial? So remember, when I say x minus 1 is a factor, that means your remainder has to be 0. So I'm going to translate this into a form that we all understand, okay? So x minus we can say for f1 my remainder is 3, and for f negative 1 over 2 my remainder is 6. In case you're wondering how I get this one, is because x minus 1 equals 0, because we want to find factor, right? Equals to 1, and then this one 2x plus 1 equals to 0, so x equals to negative 1 over 2. That's how I get this, okay? So basically this is a simultaneous equation. So I'm going to do for f1 equals 6 first. So for f1 equals to 6, hopefully we enough space. I'm going to replace inside here. So 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1. So we don't need to write that, we can directly do. So I write here a plus b plus 3 plus 4 equals to 3, okay? This one is not 6, this one is 3, okay? So now for a plus b equals to 7. Oh my god, plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 3. So a plus b has to be negative 4, okay? So now we got this already. Let's do the next equation. I think we have enough space here. So I'm going to do for the other one, f equals to negative 1 over 2 equals to 6, okay? So I'm going to replace negative 1 over 2 in up all of this, okay? So when a equals to negative 1 over 2 cube plus b equals to negative 1 over 2 square plus 3 negative 1 over 2 plus 4 equals to 6, okay? Oh, this marker not good guys. I even also can't see what I'm writing, okay? Let me just change the marker. Okay. So now we will solve this, okay? After we solve this, let me just do quickly. This one should be negative 8 over a. Here should be plus b over 4. Here should be nothing much, negative 3 over 2 plus 4 equals to 6, okay? So this part we solve. I'm just going to use calculator because I don't waste time. Here we directly simplify it so we can do faster. So negative 3 over 2 plus you shift there, you will get 7 over 2, okay? Those of you wondering what happened here, I solved this and then I shift that side, okay? So now this 8 I shift there, 8 and 2 you cut and you will get, okay? I'm just going to go real quick here because we want to finish this as fast as we can rather than dragging it unnecessarily, okay? So 28, okay? So you got two equations. Okay, so what we do, we make the b as a subject here, negative 4 minus a. So I'll take this and put inside here, okay? So maybe you can do a labeling, equation 1, equation 2. So you can say you can write here equation 2 to 1, okay? So 2 negative 4 minus a equals to 28. 2 times negative 8 minus 2a minus a equals to 28. So negative 8 you shift there, and then you get negative 3a, you get 36, and a equals to negative 12 okay? So when you got your a, you can find your b because we already make somewhere here subject, right? So b equals to negative 4 minus negative 12, okay? So that will give you negative 4 minus you will get plus 12, so 8. So you got your answer, the a and b, okay guys? So quite easy. That's why I do one recap session for you. As I told you, remember, if they say x minus 1 is a factor, they just say x minus 1 is a factor without saying that whether it has a remainder or not. The moment you see x minus 1 is a factor means the remainder has to be 0, okay? So otherwise it's quite easy guys, okay? It's a very good revision series for you, okay? So you have any question, you can return to the Zoom, okay? Anyhow, return to Zoom, we will go to the last question for the day, okay? Thank you guys.